Little bit of a dust storm here. Kind of like a mini scale haboob. Right up the road here. Oh, look at it now. Now we're in it. Yeah, it's really getting picked up over there. Holy cow. Oh, and here. Oh my God. Oh my God. It looks like an apocalypse out here. All right, now we're experiencing some pretty intense wind here. Holy crap, I can't even roll the window down. Coming back up over the interstate here. Now we're behind that dust front. This is crazy. I can't believe I almost missed this too. There wasn't supposed to be anything today. Now we got major dust storms